Lena inhlabalihide ebonisa inhlonipho kulolu qweqwe lomlingisi nomdidiyeli wemidlalo yethelevishini uShona Ferguson. Kuhlanganyeloza kwabo izihlobo, abangani nomndeni bezothi indlelanhle kulenkakha. Kuvuke umunyu ngesikhathi isidumbu sakhe sitheleka emalibeni lapho ebezobekwa khona endlini yakhe yokugcina. Izingane zakhe zithi azilahlekelwanga inqaba yazo nje kuphela, kepha zilahlekelwe na umngani oqotho. Zithi kunengxenye efile ngaphakathi kuzo ngokushiywa uyise.
My grandpa was very much more than my grandpa, because he already knew what I wanted.
My father and I, we had a weird relationship. Some people would swear we hated each other, but it was far different than that. I think the main thing was because him and I are so alike.
I will never doubt and never have doubted the love that you have for me, for Ali, for Mom and for Ro and everyone else that you have touched. I have learned a lot in the time that I even worked with you.
Nezakwabo zithi ngendlela abewukhathalele ngakhona umndeni wakhe ubebeka izidingo zawo phambili.
I know you're not in pain. I know you're safe. I know you're with Jackson, our dad. I know you're in heaven's embrace. I know you're smiling down on your wife, your kids, our mom, the whole family. I'm proud of what you've achieved in your short life.
Ozakwabo besho ngosizi bathi bazomkhumbula ngobumnene bakhe.
Mr. Shaw is just such a warm, caring, loving boss. The best boss I've ever had, personally, really. Those warm hugs, I'm gonna miss those hugs.
It's unbelievable. It's hard to accept.
Ngokudlula kwakhe emhlabeni, umkhakha wezobuciko eNingizimu Afrika ugqemeke ingozi engeqiwa ntwala.
Shona has left indelible footprints in our collective memory. Even in this late hour, I want to declare that there is still no grave big enough to bury you, African film giant.
Umfelokazi naye ongumlingisi uShona Ferguson wabopha ivindo likaSofa Silahlane emva kwezinyanga nje ezine beqale ukwazana. Bachithe iminyaka engama-20 beshadile. Nakuba uShona ubekholwa ukuthi bazoze bafike eminyakeni yokuguga bendawonye, ngeshwa akuzange kube njalo.
I want you to know that I am so proud of you. Never known anyone with your fighting spirit. Even on that hospital bed, Scott, you defied the odds so many times. So many times. I'm hurting right now. My heart is bleeding. I wasn't ready for you to go. The girls were not ready for you to go.
Ushiya ngemumva umkakhe, amadodakazi amabili, izingane zakwabo ezine kanye nonina.